In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to add simple motion to a still shot or make your footage feel a little more cinematic without manually keyframing everything, dynamic zoom is a really useful tool. It lets you create a smooth zoom effect directly inside your clip, and it's very quick to set up once you know where to find it. To begin, go to the clip you want to work with in your timeline. Make sure the clip is selected so you can preview the effect properly. Once you're on the clip, look just below the playback viewer. In that area, you'll see a small square-shaped icon. Click on that icon and from the available options, choose Dynamic Zoom. As soon as you turn it on, you'll notice two boxes appear over your clip in the viewer, a red box and a green box. These are what control the movement of the zoom effect. The red box represents the starting point of the shot. In other words, this is how the clip will look at the beginning of the zoom. The size of that box also affects how close or how wide the image appears when the effect starts. The green box shows the end point. This is where the zoom will finish by the time the clip reaches the end of its duration. Just like the red box, the size and position of the green box determine what the final framing will look like. From here, all you need to do is adjust the red and green boxes to match the movement you want. You can reposition them and change their size depending on whether you want a slow zoom in, a zoom out, or a gentle push toward a specific subject in the frame. A smaller box creates a closer zoom, while a larger box keeps the shot wider. Try to keep the movement subtle if you want a clean, professional result. A helpful tip is to preview the clip after making your adjustments so you can see how natural the motion feels. If the zoom seems too strong or too fast, simply refine the box sizes and positions until it looks right for your shot. That's all there is to it. Dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve is a fast and effective way to add motion and visual interest to your clips with very little effort. Once you get comfortable using the red and green boxes, you'll be able to shape the zoom exactly the way you need.